bw'umugusi.
Biamono kigima omurigirire bwensoko no kwigena kwa nabuna nigogenderete kubwatia emerobiri yaitu nabo igokwegokia nemerobiri yaitu Chinsa Ikomi chabono mogoroba karango kwarigania tonyore amangana Amayia Chinsa yobwenge chitarike 12 mutenyi omutangani umwaka bw'echirubere na 50 noyomo eretariane Linet Nyambane. Amayia nigo tukwenya chaka ase omubasukano omonene nigo asara enene y'omuriro nigo yanekigwa maega y'omuriro gwateka na kubwatirana echiduka cy'abanchiriria ime y'omuchi omagena ewodi ya Bubamba ebunge ya Bumachoge burabu obutukubugukira rero nigo bono abamenyi benseme yo banyareko bagwesokia na gusaba oko obokonyi kubwatekana no mubasukano y'omuriro ase batebiribuna nigo banyorire asara enene kigima.
Ajiranga sasa bayabutuko yaetire imako egwa jioni para gutira ngotirimboka ngwa jioni jibono ne jiaki bibago bikali para nande ngakiri nande kairoli nande ngataba ya mondo mosaja kanera mani ngosoka ngayungana lyukio lyatioka ngoka maisoro goronga ngaje magenete kayeti ngosoka goja makanyora nga iga abantu bayijira abo bangangensa
Ebintu biyete abarolimbu na murigeretia chisimichi nyinge njiyete cy'abantu bali naragorosere customers echiokorosi echinde chicomplete mbegetega amari nabari ang'elifu mia tano gochigoro chisimichi abanyene iga abanyene naborochega barache kumboriga bono nsinyire ngakingokora obokonyi ndase nyunga ingogenda no omugondo one nkolima timbwatiande nkonyora chibesa none
nainche ni gonkumetia seng'enche kero naboka ganate bigung'e kebande kiane kiagirega iga nonkoneria chianga chese biasara ebi biane igo nacha nanyora ng'a kiagire nke nondosetie kebande eke nande iga nobotamero bwane bore nonkorusia efisi nasomeria abana timbwati botamero bonde ase eng'encho iga nokonyora kwane kore.
I also want to thank the county government of Kisii fire brigades abo baminyokono nya baika too late but imbaike kiagara the distance itself ne speed yo muriro renge gaiga gwitide chigas chiarenga mbange gocha guika mapema but imbate mase bakunyara
bona sogo sabakwa na seng'encho ano ategemeo yane yangenene ne ibande imoroche biyete ibanda bitatu lakini bibere ne biyane kama nekiomo chirani yane kikende kama na komboeti asara nanyorira ere chibesa chinyinge sana kurukorosi ibinyombe chibake biasara byana bi hotel na biwatange chi milioni ibere so nare gusaba wera wisa sponsor gabana county government yaito na onde bwensi ranje konkonya so koendera liuko mwanje konkonya
tugusaba gavana yaito Simbarati kuranje otokonye umwe mbio badia barongo tukonye omwe msie mutobwatesi mutusupport kendegeke egere tuchakire
na ayabwatikaine ne chisemi ekero chiskuru cheche secondary imeyense ya Kenya chachakire kurika aboroki wabegire dige 10 guchakira rero nigo omubaro omunge bwaboroki wanekigwa asegati chiskuru imeye county ya Kisii omoroki wa monene bwe skuru ya Bamuraya gose nabo igo nigo omubaro yogendete kurikwa nabo igo ase skuru ya Riokindo.
Kuna namba sikapata. Hii ni namba gani si admission namba gani?
Today, as you are aware, this was a reporting day for the grade 9 students. And this is the first cohort of the CPE curriculum students we are admitting to our school. Quite a number of have turned up. At the moment, we have received about 200 students, and I want to thank the parents for taking that earliest opportunity to get us the students, and we started the admission process. And this admission process is slightly different from the admissions that we have been doing, because formally we have been admitting students and giving them the curriculum that we offer. But for this one, we are admitting them into pathways. Given that Rio Kindo Boys is a C1 school, we take all the pathways. That is STEM, art and sports, and humanities and social sciences. So as students come, they are admitted, in the ministry portal, they are admitted into the pathways that they chose.
Presently, today is on Monday, we are receiving our grade 10 students, and at the same time, with us in our school, we were given the 3 pathways. That is the STEM, the social sciences, and the creative arts and sports. And we are expecting to receive a population of about 400 students. And these, of course, there has been some challenges when we compared the way we are admitting the Form 1s, because presently, even today, we have already received about already 50 students, but there are some challenges in that you find some of them, they have already been taken to other schools, while they have a letter for our institution. So, but we are contacted the office and we know that the challenge is going to be solved.
Utigaraga bwase chisemi aboroki wabigiredi bige 10 meyense nigo bagendete goswa as chiskuru au ase umubaro monne bwabo iburi banyare ko bagwika nako gose bagendete kwira bana babase skuru ase skuru ya baisike ya kiriri nigo bakwanire ari agendete gokorekana ororo bagukwana nabararia nigo bono egati abaiburi abu banyare ko babagukwana ari baganeti nabo igogote babuna emeroberio mbuyegendete nabo igokwanira emechando eyu bagendete gwetera chinga kibakurikia abana babo
enda tabia kurumambia sira ni boyenda tukubwata banya bachekie ebinto kogenda twaisire gukora bono ntoyenda tukora ndo chembia kenda tengange ndo tukora ene ka chinse byo nenusi twaitire gota yi process ngeti process ya monkore igono ntibo mwana njengenda challenge era nkai binto batebeti abana baba detie ngento yone chikara chipesa nyone kisani ine re challenge oba yumo tege ndike menta kuba buru nyone kero kontu ate tunyone seri sinja rige tu bona ibirugo ya bitwa chibora kuruye town ene re challenge twanyare kya go ikaga gwasi ngo chibore kero ko kwaira saisi mbiakere binto batatu bete seri ya binto tokora items bona ya bidna no muntu kwende town bichikoko ine are mechanda twanyora
na umwarimu omonene we skuru ya St Mary's Nyabiore imeye bunge ya bumachoge borabu nigo bono aruro kubore gochiaso mujumbe bwenseme yo moske Obadia Barongo abo atie basi ya rwetwe no murai bwense William Ruto chinga kiarengo mokonyi bo murai bwense umunyakirogo bwe body skuru yu nere nigasire kerengererie kyo asabo igaruro kubore gochia aso mubunge Obadia kwene kibuna konyora bare amache imeye skuru ya satebrebuna nigo bakwira chinga kichiabo chinyinge aso kogenda roche kurigia amache egento gekwirira abana bugutwara amatemo amange ekogera nigo bare abana abaiseke.
I'm the second head girl captain in St. Mary's Nyabiore, and I'm congratulating our teachers very much for their support they have done to all students who have gone to university, and we are very eager to have these students representing our school St. Mary's Nyabiore. We are very happy for them, and we are very happy for our teachers too. Thank you, teachers.
Honorable Dr. Samoei Ruto promised a school bus when he was the deputy president, and it has never come, but we believe it is not too late. We would request our current honorable RMP, that is Engineer Obadiah Barongo. Yes, to ensure that he follows up the bus so that the girls can even be going out to go and, benchmark in other schools.
The only problem with our school is just water. Asking the government of Kisii to help us in constructing boreholes so that we will take that time of going to the river for studies. I'm requesting the MP, Honorable Engineer Obadiah, to follow up the bus which was promised by the Deputy President.
In terms of infrastructure, we want to improve this school from where it is, such that it accommodates students from all over the Republic of Kenya. What we have the shortfalls in this school is water, as the students have said. We want our area MP to make a follow-up, as students have said. Actually, it is a crisis in this school. We don't want empty promises. As a chair in this school, we should make sure that we follow up where the promise went, and we want to see this water in this school latest by April this year. I also have to say about the school bus, which was promised by the Deputy President by then. Who is now the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Samoei William Ruto, through our able area MP, to make sure that this school receives.
Gutigana nayo abarai babasai kurwa ase ensemo ya Western besokirie na kwigirira umusayo mwabo uyuru munyakirogo bwe kiombe kya ngaf umanyikante buna roi sasaka ase batuguteirare chinkwana cyokugania kumurusia ase abese aya nigago chama ega y'abanasiasa wesokia na kugania umusayo yukurusi kwa ase abese asekiri batebire buna nigaberega gutumika kibesa bobe abasabo bono nigo batebire roi sasaka oberega okora egasi ya ebwikirano maiga yokoba umurai bwe kiombe kya National Youth Commission chingaki checho nigo bono barireira yoguchikogenderera kumusira umusayo agutigaraga bugokora emeremo.
Harambe! Harambe! Tumekuwa na changamoto sana ya kwamba vijana katika taifa la Kenya wanapopata ajira, tunaona kwamba kuna baadhi ya wanasiasa ambao wanataka kuleta chuki, wanataka kuleta noma ili kuumiza vijana na kuwanyanyasa. Tunapinga unyanyasaji. Tunapinga unyanyasaji. Kuna yule CEO wa Ngaf ambaye ni kijana mwenzetu kwa jina Roy Sasaka. Huyo ni kijana mwenzetu ambaye juzi tarehe 8 ameweza kutuhumiwa kwamba amedaiwa kwamba aliweza kuiba akafuja mali takriban shilingi bilioni 1. Mimi naona hilo ni jambo la siasa ambalo limeletwa, na sisi kama vijana hatutokubali kijana mwenzetu kuweza kutuhumiwa, kudanganyiwa kwamba ameiba pesa. Mnapinga, mnakataa? Tunapinga. Mnapinga? Tunapinga. Mnapinga? Tunapinga. Mnatetea Roy?
Jua kwamba kazi ya Ngaf ni ya kusaidia kina mama na vijana. Anaongoza hiyo organization yenyu ni kijana wetu Mbaluya kutoka Bungoma, ambaye amewafanyia kazi kwa uaminifu, kwa bidii na utendakazi. Itakuwaje leo wengine wenyu ambao tutasema msipoacha hiyo fitina, msipoacha hiyo chuki ya ukabila kwa sababu ya selfish interest ya kutafuta tenda ya miradi ya sanitary pads ambayo ilikuwa tenda ya zaidi ya bilioni 1. Tunasema kwamba msipolainika, msipofanya kazi yenu kwa usawa, haki na ukweli, hivi karibuni tutawatambulisha nyinyi wote ambaye mnampiga Roy Sasaka siku ya leo. Na nataka niambie viongozi wa Kenya, wakati wa uoga hii Kenya uliisha. Sisi kama vijana tumewapima, tumewachuja na tunawangoja. 2027 is the defining moment for the young people of
Tokura sensemi ya Western ni gotoko genda gwikase county ya Machakos ase ekiombegi kurwania amarua tancheri na mario yo gotindia na kada orosagirwa Machakos ni gogi asangereire gose ni gogi asaganire chiba county ya Machakos ase kianyorera amarua tancheri ayo saine chiringi chibirioni 13 omusako yo nigo okorwa mambia yerit koria rero ase amaru ase omo CEO bwe onakada account ya Machakos Dr. Anthony Omerikwa anyare ko bagakuru kubore gucha saba menye be account yo kwene kibunango bwatera na bare nabo bisaba nakada eri kwene kya amarwa na mariogo atancheri tagucha kwene wase account yo nigo boigo arurege kurero getindi gucha ase abari bagokora obonchoreri obo asatebere buna enyimbo yabo nigereriko.
Kiona hapa ule jamaa tumemshika hapa pia ni bwenyenye wa hii eneo ya Kabaa. Yes. Ni kuwa tu yeye hakupiga nduru sana, lakini hii crackdown ina target mtu yoyote ambaye anauzia wananchi sumu. And let me take this opportunity to warn those unscrupulous business people that even as we pick this illicit alcohol from these enterprises, we are going for their property. We'll make sure that every vessel, tool or resource that is used to perpetrate this illicit business becomes property of the government. The main challenge that we are seeing is a people challenge. We want to implore upon wananchi to come forth and tell us about these illicit existing businesses. What we've noticed is that these guys are doing this business in plain sight, yet the wananchi are not freely reporting this to the authorities. I want to beseech the wananchi. The multi-agency is available 24 hours to handle this issue. We've been able to nab 2 notorious distributors of illicit alcohol, and we've been able to nab what we suspect is illicit alcohol worth 13 million Kenya shillings. We are pursuing the owners of these establishments. As we speak now, we've been able to arrest 2 suspects from both places where we did the exploitation, and these are 2 bars. One is called the Beast, and the other one is called the Kabaa Connection.
Omorai bwense ya Kenya omoske William Ruto nigo akore taro yae ase county ya Nyeri ase skuru ya Nyamacheki comprehensive ase asioria ebirasi bye skuru eyo ukwana akorwa ase nsemeyo Ruto niga atogiri omorai bwense meyo asa tebiribuna nigo agokorera abananchi bense meyo emeremo eremia.
So I have come here with friends, and I'm very happy that I sent some money through your member of parliament. And today we have come to open these classrooms so that we can give opportunity to more young people in Kenya to have space to learn. Are we together? Mumefurahi kuona shule hapa? Madarasa haya yote. So huyu mbunge wenu mheshimiwa DMM. Wacha tu wasimame tu hapo, sijui wako na maneno gani hawa wadosi. Niko na story. Anaweza kuja tu. Mbona mnawafukuza kwa nini? Wakuja wasimame hapa if they want. So mimi nimefurahi sana kufika hapa shuleni Nyamachaki, na nataka nimshukuru DMM. Asante sana mheshimiwa kwa kunikumbusha ya kwamba hii shule inahitaji madarasa. Huyu DMM alikuja kwangu akaniambia kuna watoto wengi pale Nyamachaki kwa shule na hawana nafasi ya kutosha ya madarasa. Akaniambia tuwajengee haya madarasa 8. Na mimi nimefurahi ya kwamba huyu DMM ni mtu mwaminifu. Ile pesa nilimpatia kweli amekuja na nimeona imefanya kazi vile tulikuwa tumekubaliana na yeye.
Ayo ngati yario rachiko yanyora ase eboikerano NCM na boigo chinsa isato chabono botuko guchikomerana na Frida Kirbo kerara chiko kumanya ase nchira yobwagare kwa niaba ya bari bane kinga eriogi ne chibiche chingo gwikira chira senchira bwenerete Brian Achaka toldi na boigo Felistas Kabendi kukuganira ogendere gutwara oborigererio bya na boigo emeroberi na boko yanyora ase nchira yekerero ene kinga ngutubwatiore ansema ya Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram buna Ensoko TV iretariane Linet Nyambane kukuganiria utware omogorobo omotwerero.